you guys, this is Sandra Ayon again. Thank you so much for all the subscriptions. Thank you for the comments. I want to welcome you into my office because I basically live in my car. I did mention to you guys that I'm working quite a bit. The Lord has been really good to me, and I find a way of being able to somehow, it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, and I have to start working at 6:30, and I'll probably be there till about 10, which is okay because I'm taking care of some really nice people. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys how I figured out how to do my timesheets for the month of July. Now, I know that we already sent our timesheets out for the 1st of July to the 15th of July. And excuse me, I'm sorry. There is our next timesheet that's going to be coming up, which is kind of backwards of what the one we just sent out is. If you notice on your timesheets for July, you have 2 full weeks. Saturday was the 1st of July, and then you had from the 2nd of July to the 8th of July, which was a full week because our work week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. And then we had another full week where it was the 9th of July to the 15th of July. Once again, our work week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. Those were 2 full weeks. What I did with those 2 weeks was I maximized the amount of hours that I needed to work per consumer for each full week. So if I had to work 39 hours, I would work 39 hours in work week 2, and then 39 hours in work week 3. That's 18. That would be 78 hours. And my total hours to work, let's say, was 80. So the other 2 remaining hours I would put on Saturday, the 1st of July. 2 plus 39 plus 39 is the 80. For that one timesheet. Okay, now for our next timesheet, we're gonna make it a little different. It's gonna be backwards because our work week's gonna start on the 16th, and it's going to end all the way down to, I made my timesheets, the 22nd, 16 to 22nd. Where are we? Here we are. I need to see what I'm doing. And then you see the next work week is gonna be from the 23rd to the 29th, and then the next work week is gonna be work week 3, only has 2 days. So it's backwards, and it's great because we have 2 full work weeks. And the example that I'm going to be using is going to be for 77 hours and 23 minutes. So here is July. Let me lower this a little bit. Here is July. The 1st is Saturday, 2 to the 8th, and then we have 9 to the 15th. The hours are 77.23. Here's another tablet. We're gonna do the math. You guys can see the math where I divided the 77.23 into 4 weeks, and I also divided the 77.23 into 2 weeks. Per week, I can only work 19 hours. I'm not gonna care about the minutes or the decimals because I'm gonna claim them on my next timesheet. So I figured out that it's easier to get rid of the minutes. So on that 1st of July, I'm going to put the minutes in there. And the next 2 full work weeks are going to be full hours. So you need your SEIU 2015 pen. And if you need one, you can go to your local union and just tell them that I sent you and said, Sandra said that I could have a pen. And then you also need your 99-cent calculator to do the math. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 19 plus 19 gives me 38. So I know that I'm allowed to work 19 hours per week, but I don't want to work only 23 minutes. So what I'm going to do, and this is from the 1st to the 15th, so I'm going to put 123 on Saturday the 1st, 18 hours on the second week, and 19 hours on the third week. That's what I'm going to be working. 19 plus 18 plus 123 gives me my 38, 23. And that's been met. So the beautiful thing about this, oh, and then I'll fill it out. I would put 1 hour and 23 minutes. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14. 2, 4, 6, 8. 11 plus 14. There we go. Now let's do this again. That's 10. There we go. That's 18. 2, 4, 6. That's 10. 13, 15, 19. This is how I would fill out this timesheet. You see the hour and 21 and 23 minutes? That closes the week. Because you have to take in consideration your claimed hours up here. Which, for this particular person, was 16. 16 hours claimed. 16 plus 123 is 17 hours and 23 minutes, but I round off that 23 and I pretend it's a whole number. So instead of 123, it would be 2 hours. I still know that 16 hours plus 2 hours is 18, and that still puts me below my 19 hours authorized. So 123 plus 18 plus 19 would equal the 38, 23. I want to get rid of those minutes because those minutes are the confusing ones. Now, I want you to look at this. This is the beautiful part about July's timesheet. Remember, our work week starts on Saturday and ends on Sunday, right? Wait, starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. You notice there's a 0 claimed hours right here? Well, that's because our work week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. I know that these 2 timesheets, these 2 weeks, work weeks, are full weeks. So on each work week, I'm going to claim 19 hours. Why? Because my remaining hours are now 39. So 19 plus 19 is 38. And the remaining hour will go on work week number 3. How do I fill this out again? What was it? 2, 4, 6. That's 9. And I need 10. Again. Second work week is a full work week. 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, that's 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. And 4 is 19. And this, I'm going to make it easy. Because I don't want you to, I'm trying to get you guys away from breaking minutes. You notice how the full work week right here. 16 to the 20, what is that, 22nd? If you add those numbers, it'll come up to 19 hours. Which are my authorized hours anyways. 19 plus 19 is 38. But I'm trying to get to 39 because that was the balance of those hours. And I do a 1. And either I could work on Sunday or I can work on Monday. It doesn't matter. I can kind of figure that one out with the with my consumer. What do you want me to work? Monday or do you want me to work Sunday? And I can only work 1 hour for you. So that's where I'm at. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget that your work week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. Please Don't forget that you have to divide your hours by 4 weeks and then divide them by 2 timesheets. Round them off to whole numbers. I normally like more money on my timesheet, the first timesheet, but this time I want to get rid of those minutes. I did find out some new information about the division. It doesn't convert into decimals when you divide it by 4 weeks. It converts into minutes. But I still don't care because minutes are the ones that are making people make these mistakes. And I don't want you guys to make any mistakes. So I was wrong there and I wanted to tell you guys that. But I am still in a safe zone because I left myself plenty of cushion to be able to make a mistake. So there it is. Remember, divide your hours authorized by 4 weeks. You're going to get a number, period, point, decimal, blah, blah. Who cares about the decimal? You're going to divide it by 2 timesheets. Your hours divided by 2 timesheets. You're going to get a rounded number. You decide whole number first and then the minutes. And that's it. Thank you so much. I got, what is it, like 10 minutes to smoke a cigarette and kind of chill and relax. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my videos. I will have more for you. I just found out that there is a phone number for people that have, for providers that have, like for example, in myself, I needed 2 timesheets. Well, there's not a department coming out of the metro area, but there is a phone number. There are customer service numbers that you can call them and no questions asked. If your case is easy, no problems. They can send you your timesheets automatically as quickly as possible. And I thought that was pretty awesome. So now what I'm trying to do is find out the rest of the numbers, because what I will do is I will put them on one of my videos. And I'll be more than happy if you guys want to not text me, but if you want to leave me a comment, let me know, and I will respond as quickly as possible. Remember, I do work 260 hours a month, and I love you guys, and I care about you guys, and I want you guys to be great, and I want you guys to be okay, and I'm here to help you. Also, do not forget that we have a union that represents us. Without a union, it would be a lot more difficult. We're fighting. We just got 3 days sick leave, but the county is waiting to see and figure out how to install them, just like travel time. Travel time took about a year or so, something like that. But we finally got travel time, which is what I get for gas. So there it is. All right, you guys, good night. I'm going to puff until I get to work. I'm looking out my consumer's window. Take care. God bless you guys and have a great time. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.